Good morning, students. Let us start with a new chapter, chapter 14, that is statistics. Every day we come across variety of information in the form of facts, numerical, figures, tables, graphs, etc. These informations are provided by newspapers, televisions, magazines and other means of communication. These facts or figures, which are numerical or otherwise collected with a definite purpose, are called data. Now, data is the plural form of the Latin word datum. Every part of our life utilizes data in one form or the other. This extraction of meaningful information is studied in a branch of mathematics called statistics. So, you all are familiar with this term statistics. The word statistics or the statistics is that branch which deals with collection, organization, analysis and interpretation of data. Whatever data is collected, it is classified into types. First is primary data and the other is secondary data. Now, what is primary data? Now, primary data is one in which the information is collected by the investigator himself or herself. With a definite objective in his mind. For example, if you are asked to find the height of the students of your class, so this information you can collect yourself by going individually to each student and you can collect the data. So this data which you can collect yourself is known as primary data. Now, what is secondary data? Secondary data is the information gathered by a source which is not in direct touch with you or which has already information stored there. So this type of data is called a secondary data. For example, if you are asked to find out the population of India, so it is not possible for you to go to find out yourself individually by counting the number of people in the country. So what will you do? You will go through various data which is already available and then you will find out that what is the population of India. So data is classified into two types, primary data and secondary data. Primary data in which the information is collected by the person himself with a definite objective, and secondary data is that information which is gathered from a source which already had the information stored and the data so obtained is called secondary data. Now let us start with exercise 14.1. First question is, give 5 examples of data that you can collect from your day-to-day life. There are various examples which you can collect from your day-to-day life. Some of them are, which I have mentioned, is number 1, number of members in the families of your classmates. That you can find out. Number of fans in your school. Electricity bills of your house for 1 year. Literacy rate in India. Birth rate in India. So these are the 5 examples which we can collect from our day-to-day life. Now second example question is, Classify the data in question 1 above as primary or secondary data. Now I have already explained you that primary data is the data which is collected by the person himself. So here you can all find out the number of members in the families of your classmate. So this is the primary data. Number of fans in your school, this you can just go and count in your school. So this is also a primary data. Electricity bills of your house for 1 year, you can just find out the bills for 1 year, calculate them personally. So these three are all primary data. Now what is the literacy rate in India? This you cannot find yourself. For this you have to go to a source in which the information is already gathered. So this is a secondary data. Birth rate in India, this is also a secondary data. So example 1, 2 and 3 are primary data, and example 4 and 5 are secondary data. So students, write down the definition of data. What is data? What is a primary and a secondary data? And do exercise 14.1 in your maths copy. Thank you.